Well, hello everyone, and today I really wanted to create a quick video explaining how to integrate Aweber with a custom landing page or opt-in page. And really the reason that I'm making this video is because personally when I first signed up with Aweber, I love their services. I really didn't find their sign-up forms to be that attractive and that really appealing, and really not the best things to actually get your subscribers or get your potential subscribers to subscribe. And so that's why I'm creating this video, is to kind of help you, I guess, know exactly what code you need to implement into a, what HTML code you need to implement into a form, so that you can actually thus be able to integrate it with Aweber. And so as you can see here, this is one of my landing pages that I have for actually my website, which is moneybat.com. But that's a different story, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. So basically, what this is here, obviously, is they enter their email here, they click here, and as you can see, they are currently, if they click that, it's going to be going to Aweber. So obviously, this is already integrated with Aweber, and I'm going to explain exactly how I did this and how you can do this as well, very easily and simply. Okay, so first off, I'll show you here. Now this is a little different because this is actually like a landing page. It's not a particular opt-in form, but basically from a functionality standpoint, it'll be exactly the same, and it's very easy to implement this yourself. So I will show you here. So I'll go to my landing pages, and if you'll see here, this is my custom HTML page. So if I clicked on that, it's gonna, of course, open everything up there, as you can see. But what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually going to open this up in a text editor. And see, since I have a Mac, I use Text Wrangler. You can use Notepad, Notepad++, Text Edit, but I just like Text Wrangler for Mac. It's pretty good. Okay, so this here is the main HTML page. Obviously, this isn't, none of the CSS is included and stuff, but so here is where the form is. If you see here, the form starts here with this form tag. And so, you can find like pretty generic like form fields online, and most of them are pretty generic. And like if you have a custom form, obviously it's going to be included with it. But as far as the things that you need to change to make it integrate with Aweber, there's actually a really helpful thing on Aweber itself on their website that they include. And it's right here, and I'll post a link in the description below to it. And basically, it's just like, can I use my own form? And obviously, they strongly recommend that you use their sign-up form generator because it's hard to integrate it. But luckily, they've made it possible, and it's actually really easy to do, and that's what this video is for. So here are the things that you have to change here. They have a long list of them here. I mean, it looks long, but it's actually relatively, actually really easy to do. And requires only a simple couple things to change. So what you need to do is, if you go to open it up in a text editor, you're just going to change your action here to this aweber.com scripts/adlead.pl, and obviously they have that there. You're also going to want to copy this input type here. I guess all of these input types you can copy in, which is what I've done here. And all you have to change are a few custom things. Like I changed this, my list name is MoneyBat. And to find what your list name is, it's just actually going to be this one right up here. It'll be, list name. And so you'll just have to change that. Then you actually all you have to do here is for this next input, which is, let's see, which is this one. You're just going to edit the redirect value. So like if you have a custom thank you page that after they subscribe that you send them to, that's going to be the value that you're going to put there. That's going to be the URL. And these are just other input types that you have to include. Meta message, meta ad tracking, meta required, meta forward. And you can just include those as well. One that they do have on here that you don't necessarily need is this one right here. This is a custom field, and you don't necessarily need that. What that'll do is, say you like you have two obviously maybe like on my particular blog here, or this page here, I have two fields. I have the name field and the email field. Well, if you want more fields than that, you can include that and have a custom field, but at this point I don't, so you don't necessarily need to copy that one. And then obviously the last one here that you'll need to copy, which I have down here, is the submit one. and that one is obviously necessary. So input type, submit, name, submit, value, you can change whatever, and that's just a note. The value is going to be what this says here. So like the value on mine says yes, I want to learn all the methods, but I guess for some reason it's saying that. But yeah, so that's basically how that works, and it's pretty simple to edit that stuff, and I hope that's helpful to you. So all you have to do to basically do this is literally copy these things here into your form, and then change those, and then you might have to test around with a little bit to make sure everything's right, and then you just, hey, my name's Josh, my email, this is of my landing page, but my actual website's moneybat.com, and you can click there, and boom, there's my thank you page, and just like that, you are now essentially basically integrated with Aweber, and it's really that simple, and hopefully this is helpful to you guys. So feel free to comment below and let me know if this was helpful, as well as like and subscribe if you want some more videos. And also feel free to check out me at my blog at moneybat.com, where I post a lot of different things that I'm doing online and ways that I'm trying to earn an income online. So I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day, and I hope that you guys have some awesome luck here. You get a lot more email subscribers with some awesome new forms that are integrated with Aweber. Alright guys,